Good morning, tutor. Hello, everyone. My name is Jesus Velasco. I am Colombian. I live in Bogota. Bogota is the capital city of Colombia. I am a worker in a food industry. I speak Spanish. I am 47 years old and I study industrial engineering. I like to work, study and cook. I hate cleaning the house. I live in a small house. My day starts very early in the morning. I get up at 4 in the morning and I go out to walk my dog. I have a small dog. His name is Bruno. At 5 in the morning, I go to my work. At 6, I start my labors at work. At 8 in the morning, I have breakfast. At 8:30 in the morning, I review reports and answer emails. At 10 a.m., I meet to plan the production. At 12 noon, lunch, and 1 in the afternoon, I resume my work. I work until 4 in the afternoon. I return to my house at 5:30 in the afternoon. I start university work from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. I go to sleep at 9 in the afternoon.